everybody, my name's Amanda and I'm kind of new here. So, you ever have those days when you forget to hit record? Yeah, that's me. I filmed this whole video, look. I know, I look amazing. But I forgot to hit record. Such is life. So, last minute, we're gonna use a tag created by Spooky Lips and Fat Hips. Sorry. And I'll go ahead and tag her below. And if you're up in the card, look at the card. I can do that there too. So she'll be linked up there. And I'm sorry, for, oops. So anyway, she has a tag and it's all questions, and so we're going to answer them, and I haven't read these. I know that Lauren May Beauty also did a video like this, and so we're going to go with it. Alright, the question number 1. How often do you wash your makeup brushes and sponges? About once a week. I will knock off things. I will use Cinema Secrets throughout that week. But yeah, I wash my makeup brushes once a week because I'm a germaphobe. Yeah. If you don't, you do you. It's your face. How do I organize my makeup collection? Well, basically, I have my big palettes, like my Lorac Makeup Pro, sitting in a bin that I bought at Dollar Tree up on its side. I have my blushes together, my highlights together. I have all my singles together. My lips are in containers that I bought off Wish.com, but they're all together. Liquid lips are by brand. And if I have gotten some in BoxyCharm or whatnot, they're all together. Yeah, I'll link my makeup room tour with right up there, so you guys can see that. Do you put your makeup products away after you are done using them, or leave them out for tomorrow? I have a drawer. I have a makeup drawer. That was yesterday's video. And I'll link that, well, at the end. You guys could check that out. But yeah, I just put them, I pretty much use specific things for a month. So, they're in the drawer. Yeah. My phone keeps locking, and that's where these are. Loose or pressed powders? Yes. It depends. Under here, I prefer pressed powder. I use an translucent matte, the All About Matte. I also use that up in here because I get oily on my forehead. And sorry, I'm playing with my hair, it's drying. I'm also going to drink some coffee from McDonald's because the closest Starbucks to me is like 10 miles. Forget that. I'm not that kind of influencer. I'm not really much of an influencer yet. But, yeah. Do I ever fall asleep without taking my makeup off? Yeah. Yes, I do. If I have this amount on, no, we're fine. But if I did like just a BB cream or a CC cream and a little bit of blush and no eye makeup, no, nothing going out, yes, I fall asleep with it on. Then I get up in the morning and I wash my face, or in the middle of the night even, I've been known to get up. So, what makeup rules do I like to break? I hate eyeliner on me. Well, okay, I like it if other people could put it on me, but I don't know really what to do for me, so I don't use eyeliner much. Most of the others, I pretty much follow the rules. Yeah. And I don't go by expiration dates. So if I have my Modern Renaissance, I think the expiration date is 6 months. I didn't do that. That's what I used at my wedding. It's still back there. It's only been used a handful of times. I probably should bring that into rotation, but right now I'm going to do the Lorac Mega Pro because I'm going to have to refilm or actually film, hit record. I'm moving something. Sorry, guys. Let's see. Do you wait to pan a product before completely before you replace it? I'm working on that. I want to, so I'm working on that. But usually no. That would be why I have so many foundations. And I bought one last week. I have a lot of stuff. I have a problem. Yeah, okay. How do I feel about sharing makeup? If you mean me giving it away, I'm okay with this. If you mean other people using my stuff right before I use it, it's got to be a powder product and not eyes. Not eyes. Eyeshadows are a no. So, how do I feel about buying or trading used makeup? With a friend, if it's somebody I trust, we're game. All right. How do I feel about... How often do I declutter? I'm going to do a lip declutter like next week. But yeah, I haven't done that yet. Okay. What's my least favorite step in makeup routine? Yeah, eyeliner still. Not a fan. Alright. And what's my worst makeup memory? I don't think I have a bad makeup memory, except for that one time when my husband did my makeup. Yeah, that's linked above too. That might be, yeah. He did it, it was 10:30 at night. It looked like he took a bucket of highlight and threw it on me. So, yeah, that's it. Alright guys, I will go ahead and link Lauren May Beauty's video down here. But I will also, Spooky Lips and Fat Hips, which I think I love that channel name. I love it. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I will refilm that this weekend. Get that up on Tuesday. Yeah, sorry for the mistake. Alright, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye! Oh, wait. No, that's not how we do this. We'll talk to you guys later. And remember, if you like what you see here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. What tags would you like to see me do? Or stuff. Yeah, okay. Now we'll talk to you later. Okay.